Good morning, students. Class 10, lesson number 8 of History, National Awakening and Establishment of Political Organization in India. In previous lesson, we have seen that we, the Indians, have started freedom struggle with the Britishers, though we were not successful in it, but we all came to know that we must be united with each other to be successful. The awakening was developed in Indians as well as nationalistic feelings also developed in them. Their hearts were filled with self respect and realization. Now we are going to start topic number 8.3, Establishment of Indian National Congress. Between 1870 to 1880, Indian people had become politically conscious. Till 1885, due to a retired British officer, A.O. Hume, there was a platform formed of political organization. Remember that A.O. Hume was the founder of Congress. He was a liberal minded person. He wanted people to adopt the path of politics instead of violence and aggression. With the help of Indian National Union was formed. With his help, Indian National Union was formed. Hume organized meetings of Indian National Union at Mumbai to work for national development. On 28th December 1885, in Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, the meeting was named as Indian National Congress. In this was Indian National Congress was born. There were 72 representatives in this convention. Vyumesh Chandra Banerjee was the president of first meeting of Indian National Congress. The objectives of establishment of Indian National Congress. The main aim behind establishment of Indian National Congress was to be a protective shield for British government. Actually, Hume wanted Indian people to protect themselves through appeals, memorandum, delegations to fulfill the demands. But do not be violent. This was a positive step for Indians because till now they were not having any common platform which they are having through the Indian National Congress. Vyumesh Chandra Banerjee, at the first president of Congress, as the first president of Congress, in his first meeting held in 1885, decided some aim which were first to promote friendship and mutual understanding among people who were who were working enthusiastically for the country. The second aim was to eradicate the differences of caste, religions, and regions and to work with unity. The third point was to solve the burning problems, means poverty, inferior government, religions, problems of India with the help of educated people by discussing about it. The last and fourth point was to chart a program of political activities for next 12 months for a year, and very soon this organization uh, to, took a wide shape on national level.